Today we shall look at the 3 actions to initiate to effectively manage performance. Hi, I am Shubhrato, a performance leadership coach. I simplify performance and support professionals, leaders and entrepreneurs to achieve their goals. Today we shall look at 3 actions that help make performance management far more effective. Research shows that in India, not more than 20% of the managers believe that performance management system plays a critical role in achieving the goals that they have set. This data shows that there is a huge gap between the promise and the actual delivery that happens by using the performance management systems. Do you agree with these findings? I would love to know your views and kindly share them in the comment section below. So what is it that we can do to improve the effectiveness of performance management system? When we look at performance management systems, there are basically 3 sets of activities that are involved. The first set of activity is related to setting the goals. In most performance management system, we end up measuring the employee goals. It is when we have the discussion with our employees, talking both about the employee goals and the organization goals and how his delivery is important to achieving those goals, do people see the larger picture. This helps in establishing the fact that every employee and the goals that he is delivering has an impact on the organization goals and establishes the importance of the employee and his goals to the organization. This helps to engage the employees better, and hence that helps us to keep them engaged over a period of time. The second set is related to executing and achieving the goals that have been set. While this is about executing and achieving the results to achieve the goals that are set, it is also about understanding where the gaps are and closing those gaps. As leaders, we need to take that initiative to identify the gaps and to play a positive role in encouraging employees to close those gaps. My experience is that overwhelmingly the performance of individuals and teams jumps substantially. The third set is about feedbacks. It is about how do we deliver those feedbacks so that it helps us and the team to achieve better results. We need to give consistent feedback over a period of time. Research shows that giving a poor feedback is better than giving no feedback. But research also shows that giving effective feedback is about giving positive feedback about what can be done to improve the performance. These 3 sets, goal setting, goal achievement and feedback, do not happen sequentially. Most of the time we need to run it parallelly with each other. In many organizations, in most situations, we may need to change the goals or to modulate the goals as the year goes ahead. So it can only happen when these 3 processes, goal setting, goal achievement and feedback, are run parallelly, when we are giving continuous feedback consistently throughout the year. There is no point giving a feedback at the end of the year, because then the year is gone and there is no way an employee can take corrective actions to improve his performance. If you find the post interesting, request you to like and share my post. Thanking you. Goodbye till the next time.